6 months in the dark.
She has voluntarily buried herself alive.
A single messer queen. She is trapped in a clay cell the size of a thimble, cut off from the sun, the wind, and food.
She is a kingdom of one.
Starvation is not an accident here. It is the plan. She watches over her first clutch of eggs. But the eggs need fuel, and her stomach is empty. To feed them, she must look inward. We witness a biological dismantling.
She dissolves her own massive flight muscles, converting the tissue that once let her fly into liquid protein.
She is easing her own wings to feed the future. The maggots wriggle, coated in the viscous fluids of their birth. With the last of her reserves, she regurgitates the liquefied muscle. She is skeletal, trembling, on the edge of death.
But then, movement.
A tiny, pale worker, a nanitic, tends to her mother. The isolation is broken. This single, starving mother has sparked a civilization that will number in the thousands. She will never see the sky again, but her children will own it. The greatest empires are built on the hunger of a single matriarch.